What's up guys, Exselsior Tech is back, and today I want to give an update on the Phone Rebel Frosted Series case. This one again is for an iPhone 11. You guys are asking for an update as far as durability and just what I think of it after having it for, I don't know, a month or something. Over that, probably 2. So I'll just go over what it's like after having it for a little while. Again, all the stuff I said in the original video is still true. It's still an amazing case. It's still a favorite case I've ever had. With the nice side cutouts and the look. It's thin, very nice. Now some updates. People were asking if it's durable. And yes, I can say it is definitely durable. You can't really see any defects. I haven't dropped my phone a ton. One time I dropped it on some like big rocks, and I can't even tell that I dropped it, to be honest. So maybe a little bit of scuffing right there, but that's not really noticeable. The sides, the stickers that are right here on the side also are holding up very well. They are surprisingly strong, like sticking to the side of the phone. They don't come off. The only thing that happened to them is a couple of them, or there's a couple little scratches into the side, like it, when it hit something. But they're still in very good shape. Another pro of this case is it's very easy to smash the like button. So if you would please do that, that would be great. Thank you. Another pro that I realized is that it sits nice and flat on the table. I might have said this before, but I want to reiterate it. It's very nice because of these little lips here. It sits flat on a table, on a desk, on a surface, whatever, and doesn't wobble like a lot of phone cases do, and definitely phones without a case wobble. Now, a few drawbacks I realized after owning this for 2 months or whatever it is. None of these are very severe, just something to point out. I think the biggest thing is the scratches that can happen to the inside of this. The biggest one is right there. You can see it. I don't know how these kind of happen, but there's a bunch of them. I guess dust gets on the inside and then gets moved around. This might happen when I was sliding the phone in. I don't know. The good news is they're not very noticeable from this side because it's frosted, so you can't really tell. But be very careful when touching the inside. It's very, very easy to scratch this inside. Another, not necessarily issue, but just something to be aware of, is dust likes to build up a lot of places in this phone, right here, even on the insides here, on your phone, in through these holes. And dust can even get sort of in the side here of your phone, and then when you take the case off, there's a line of dust there, right underneath the case. Dust is normal though, just from having it in your pocket, so it's not really anything abnormal, just a few more places for it to gather on this case. Something to be aware of, it doesn't affect me, but this edge here is sort of pointy. You might experience a little bit of discomfort on your pinky. It'd be nicer if this was rounded. I personally don't notice it. If you hold your phone like this, you might be a little bit uncomfortable, but it's fine for me. And the last thing, which isn't even a complaint, it's just a suggestion or something I noticed, is that the case isn't symmetrical. You can see it comes down much farther on this side than on this side. And I get it, it's to protect the camera. So there's not really a way to fix it, I guess, other than bringing this down the whole way over here, but that would look kind of odd. You can't even do that because the volume buttons are there. So just yeah, there's no way to fix it, just something I noticed. And you don't really think of it, so don't worry about that. But in conclusion, this is still an amazing case, definitely durable. It will last you a long time. The only things to be wary of is the inside scratches and all the dust that can collect, even in this little hole here. Dust gets in there. Maybe the pinky, if that might affect you, but that should not deter you. This is still an amazing case. Phone Rebel case for this one is an iPhone 11. So guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to smash the like button. If you want any more info on this case, feel free to let me know. I can make a third video if I want, if you guys want me to. And comment any other questions or what I should review next. Subscribe so you can see those videos coming out. And thank you for watching.